Karibu tena guku gwa Kikuyu Daily News na gikorwo mugeni twika wa subscribe niguo tunyitanire na thengi thutha wa Kenya gukorwo makiyuria ciuria ciigi gikuo kia mwana wa Waithaka wa Jeni na mehaririria ma mathiko. Riu Waithaka ni ataririe mwana wake ni arikitie guthikwo, aratabanirie mibango iyo na njira itarakuraniria andu aingi a Kenya hamwe na mafans make aria makoretwo makiuria niki Waithaka arathie na mbere na ndumo ciake ota mutugo wake handu wa gucakaya mwana wake. Undu uria utumite Waithaka ataririe ni maracakaya no ni marikitie gutabania mathiko hamwe na family yake, akiumbura ekire uria angihota na gukorwo agishia ndeto ici the sad news nenda-ini ciake, but already mibango ya mathiko ni atabanitio na muini uyu aumburite ndeto ici through kuhitukira mutambo wake wa Facebook, akirekereria ndumiriri ino nenda-ini ciake na kuga, my dear fans, I know many of you have been asking yourself numerous questions concerning baby Liam. Death is a painful occurrence when it hits. I lost my baby Liam few days ago, handled the matter including his burial in the most silent way I could, but being an innocent soul I was so overwhelmed and I mourned him on my timeline without including further details. That's all I can say for now, my dear friends and supporters. Special thanks to all those who sent their condolence messages. Your love and support has been so amazing during these hard times. Rest in peace baby Liam, shall be well with our souls. Ndumiriri ino ya Waithaka wa Jeni arikimenyithia kuri ya Kenya na mafans make aria marari na ciuria nyingi, amwe makiheana advice yao how Waithaka should mourn the loss gikuo kia mwana wake kahii gake Liam, kona akoretwo agitwarithia show ciake na mbere na performance yake ota kawaida, and already ni confirmite his mugithi tour iria ikahanika nja wa bururi agithie UK to perform mugithi ndumo cia mugithi. Andu na Kenya makiumiria na njira nene muno thutha wa kuona ndumiriri ino ya Waithaka wa Jeni akiuga the burial ceremony ya baby Liam already ni tabanitio. Njoroge wa Njeri wa mbere kuga Waithaka wa Jeni Ngai aromuhe thayo wa ngoro mwina mama Liam. Death is an eternal departure to eternity with no return ticket. Mourning a beloved one is painful and very personal. May you find the grace to go through the process. Sharon Mwithira Beatrice onake akiuga grief has no style neither time, akiuga there is no particular way ya gusakaya your loved ones, neither gutiri style na mathaa riria ubatie kumourn the loss of your loved ones. Muthaki wa thenema cia ngerekano uikaine ta Karanja 01 onake akiuga those of us who have gone through the same loss can already understand your pain and despair. You shall heal soon. Ota uria ukiuga muthaki uyu ni umburite how he lost his baby kuhitukira nenda ciake, akiuga na kwira Waithaka wa Jeni he can clearly understand his pain for he has been there before. Waithaka too shall heal. Na tukae pole citu nyumba na family ya Waithaka wa Jeni. Kikuyu Daily News, subscribe.